Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving right into how you can set your notification preferences in Trello. First things first, ensure that you're logged into your Trello account. Now that we're in, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings from this menu. The reason we do this is because all your personal preferences, including notifications, are managed here. Next up, scroll down until you find the Notifications category. Once you've located it, click on the Edit Notifications Settings button. This helps us because it provides us with a centralized place to modify our notification preferences. Now, you'll see a variety of options related to email notifications, mobile push notifications, and even your daily digest preferences. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello gives you the flexibility to decide how, when, and for what types of activities you want to be notified. This way, you can tailor your Trello experience to suit your needs and preferences. If you want to receive email notifications for any new card activity, for example, you should select Instantly under the Email Frequency section. If, on the other hand, you'd prefer not to be notified about every little change, you can choose Periodically or Never. Let me explain why this matters. By customizing these settings, you can maintain control over your inbox and avoid being overwhelmed by unnecessary alerts. Furthermore, you can manage your mobile push notifications in the same way. You can choose to get push notifications for all activity, only comments, or no activity. This is crucial as it allows you to stay on top of your tasks without constantly checking Trello, especially if you're always on the go. Finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Save Settings button at the bottom of the page. This will ensure that your notification preferences are updated and stored correctly in the system. And that's how you customize your notification preferences in Trello. It's a simple process, but it can drastically enhance your productivity and user experience. Remember, the key is to create a balance that works for you between staying informed and not getting distracted. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy organizing.